did a square.
Wow, look at Caitlin's square.
Caitlin got a nice square too. Look at that. Big pink one.
Hey, it's Friday again.
Only on the pavement, baby. What do you guys want to draw? Where are you going? It's wet over here. Don't go over here. Go over here. Draw some pretty sun. Can you draw the sun? And a triangle, and a circle, and a square. Today's August 12th, 2012. Good circle, Caitlin. Good sun. Look at these suns they're drawing. You guys are pretty good at that. Wow.
That's a nice sun. Caitlin's
You guys are good.
You got a real big pink one and Aiden's got a small yellow.
Good job. Aiden, don't sit on the ground.